Let's do this. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the ThruNite YouTube channel. Today we are talking more about the TN36 flashlight. So today's video, I'm talking about this really powerful flashlight. So right at the top, I want to mention that the TN36 is on sale right now on ThruNite.com, and that includes the bundle with the 4 18650 batteries, which are used to power this flashlight. Now this, if you're not familiar with this flashlight, 11,000 lumens. Quite a few. Insanely powerful beam, more flood style, and I'm gonna show you it at night. And I think I'm gonna compare it to the TN50 as well. That one runs on a built-in battery pack, a 21700 battery, not removable. So the benefit here is that you can have additional batteries if you are out on a long hike or whatever it is and you need a lot of power. You can always swap out the batteries and keep going with the TN36. 11,000 lumens on turbo mode. That's what it's going to start out at. It also has infinity modes, anywhere from 96 to 8,000 lumens. That's the range. And you can stop at any point along that output. Stepless dimming. It's one of my favorite features on any ThruNite flashlight, and I'm glad that we offer it here. On infinity low at 96 lumens, it's still gonna last for over 2.5 days. So a lot of power. Of course, the more power you output, the faster it's gonna drain that battery. 85 minutes on 11,000 lumens on the turbo mode. As with most ThruNite flashlights, the TN36 is waterproof to 1.5 meters, as well as drop resistant. So you have the full confidence of the ThruNite brand behind this flashlight. So the light itself is more of a flood style light. But of course, with this amount of output, you do have a beam distance that will illuminate out to over 1100 feet. So of course there is that element to the flashlight itself, but that's not really why you're buying a light. But enough of me talking about the light. Let's just go ahead and use it out in the field like I normally do with these tests. And I'm gonna compare it to the TN50 as well. So that about wraps up this video talking about the TN36. If you'd like to see it compared to any other ThruNite flashlight, let me know. I'll try to make that comparison for you. If there's any other videos that you'd like to see on the channel, let me know as well in the comment section below. Again, 20% off, no, excuse me, 30% off of this light and the batteries over on ThruNite.com. That sale is gonna last until February 7th. So you got a little bit of time to buy this really powerful light. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next one.